Hi friends, I welcome you all on behalf of Navsahyadri Education Society's group of institutions Pune. I am Dhananjay Bhathe from ENTC department. Let's start with the today's topic, designing applications or modules using Node-MCU. In today's session, we will see about introduction to Node-MCU and why to use Node-MCU. This is the picture of Node-MCU module which is available in market costing between 250 to 400. What is Node MCU? MCU stands for microcontroller unit. Node MCU is an open source firmware and development kit that helps us to prototype IoT devices. Firmware, what is it? It is a software program programmed or etched into non-volatile memory like ROM, EEPROM and flash memory. Node MCU module is cost effective and is based on ESP8266 Wi-Fi system on chip. We have an Arduino and Raspberry Pi boards which are commonly used when prototyping new IoT devices. Open source means Node MCU hardware design is open to edit, modify and build new Node MCU boards. In IoT applications, Arduino and Raspberry Pi boards need to connect to the internet. These boards require additional Wi-Fi module for connections. This is Arduino Uno board. This is Raspberry Pi board. For these two boards, extra Wi-Fi module is required for connectivity. However, in Node MCU, it has built-in support for Wi-Fi connectivity. ESP8266, this is the image of 8266 Wi-Fi module. This is extra connected to Arduino and Raspberry Pi development boards. What is Lua? Lua is a scripting programming language. It is an embedded scripting language used to program firmware. Firmware uses it. It is easy, powerful and fast programming language. It is lightweight, high-level, multi-paradigm programming language developed primarily for embedded use in applications. Next, what is ESP8266? It is a module. This is the picture of that module. It is connected to Arduino and Raspberry Pi boards externally. Node MCU firmware comes with ESP8266 development board inbuilt on it. This is low-cost Wi-Fi chip developed by Expressive Systems with TCP/IP protocol. This is the pin diagram of that module having two GPIO pins, transmitter receiver, serial transmitter receiver, 3.3 volt power supply, ground, reset and enable pin. So 3v3 is nothing but 3.3 volt power pin. Reset is active low reset pin, enable active high enable pin. Then serial transmit pin with UART, serial receive pin with UART and GPIO 0 and GPIO 2. These are the general purpose input output pins to program that module. Pin diagram of Node MCU. This is the pin diagram of Node MCU. It has 30 pins. 13 pins are GPIO pins, 4 pins are ground pins, 3 are 3.3 voltage regulator pins. These are dedicated. One ADC pin is inbuilt ADC with 10-bit resolution. This board uses micro USB cable to dump the program and provide the supply to it. We provide serial communication with SPI, UART and I2C protocols. Now, architecture of Node MCU. This is the architecture. It has ESP12 chip, 3.3 volt voltage regulator, micro USB port to dump the code and to provide the supply, flash button, reset button, USB to TTL converter, onboard LED D0 pin, 2.4 gigahertz antenna for Wi-Fi connection. GPIO pin description. So there are total 13 GPIO pins, GPIO 0 to GPIO 16. So out of these, GPIO 6, 7, 8 and 11, these pins are not available on board. Rest all pins are available on Node MCU board. While configuring in a program, we can write its pin number. Node MCU ESP8266 specifications and features. So these are the features: microcontroller, 32-bit RISC CPU, operating voltage 3.3 volt, input voltage 7 to 12 volts, analog input, serial communication, flash memory 4 MB, SRAM 64 KB. So these are the features of Node MCU. Now, applications of Node MCU. There are many applications in different fields: home appliances, home automation, smart plug and lights, industrial wireless control, child monitors, IP cameras, sensor networks, Wi-Fi location aware devices, security ID tags. There are many applications. In next section, we will see how to program Node MCU with Arduino IDE. So today we'll stop here. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you, friends. Thanks.